Whoa. What's up? Hey y'all, welcome. So many people have been asking me about my hair care routine, how I tame this mop top. So gonna show you, but there's some rules. 1, I know you might not do the same thing I do. That's fine. Keep your hateful comments to yourself. 2, we have different texture hair, so please consider that before you leave your comments. Other than that, yeah, watch how I go from drab to fab, or at least what I think. Come. So you're gonna do a nice little rinse. I use a pre-shampoo before my actual shampoo, and I get it all in. Smells so good, nice and minty. Then I use Shea Moisture. It's my preferred brand. I've used it since I started my dreads, and even before then. You might need a couple of extra squirts if you got a lot of hair. Get it all in the back. Massage. Yep. Turn around, check yourself out for a second, because you popping. Now some conditioner. This is my first time using Can't 2. It was on sale, so check it out with me. Squirt. Smell it. Smells really good. Then I need you guys to get it in good. Roots, tips, ends, quarter it, triple it, do whatever you gotta do. Just get it in nicely. All over. Rub. Yep. And then again, cause you fly. Now put your thing on and wash your ass. Okay? Wash your ass while the conditioner's working. I use Aveeno. I have sensitive skin. I like it. So, and I use that peppermint. Yep. Mix it together. A little dab. Now, before y'all talk about I didn't use 2 rags. Yep, I use a rag. 1, I use Aveeno scrub to actually do my face. So, yep, get that in. All this while I'm conditioning. Now you rinse out the conditioner. Yep, rinse it out thoroughly, because sometimes it can hold it in there and you won't notice the conditioner's in there until you're twisting. So now, come on, let me show you how I get the look together. Now I have me a nice little towel dry. I'm gonna let it go, let it flow. And you ever got something off of Amazon that at first you thought was pretty dumb, but it turned out to be the most useful thing you ever have? This is that. It mimics the dryers you see in the salon. You know, it's not direct heat. I love it. All you do is put the tube onto the blow dryer and you have fun. You know, sit there, hang out, check your phone, do whatever. And then 20 minutes, you're dry. Now, I use Mielle leave-in conditioner, and I spray that very liberally. That's what I do. I got it as a gift and use it ever since. I'm very, neurotic about my parts, so you see it kind of sectioned. Yes, very neurotic. I like straight lines, boxes. That's me. Lock it up. That's the only thing I've used ever since I started my dreads 18 months now. I love it. No buildup, no nothing. Get your second mirror to see the back. And now you're going to start what I call like finger curling, because of my reach, I can't palm roll at this stage until I get to my left side. So I just finger curl like that, and then I clip. So you do it again. Use your finger to guide your parts down. By this time, your hair should already be trained, so it shouldn't be that difficult. So again, you put in your lock it up, and then you finger, and clip. Again, see guys, I'm very neurotic about my parts. Please don't judge me. Lock it up more. Get it. And then you clip. Now, by this time my reach has changed. If you can see, my posture is different. I'll be able to palm roll this. And look how much quicker that was, right? And then just clip it again. I check my parts. If you're in doubt, grab your mirror that you're going to use to see the back of your head. And, just make sure. And then you just repeat this throughout. I kind of skipped the row, but that's okay. Just going to go until, use your fingers to guide you. And then go back. By the time you see me, I'll be done with the back. Here you go. Now the front. So the front, I take and I part on either side, and I kind of work from one side to another. No particular reason. That's just the way I feel comfortable doing it. I take the tail end of the comb and ensure the parts are straight and crispy. The front to me matters more, because that's really what people see. So yeah, I'm very careful with that. And also, I'm very delicate with the front of my hair, because the front is just weaker than the back. So you want to take that into consideration. The front I'm able to palm roll because, of course, my reach is different. So it goes a lot faster, which is why I save it, you know, for last. It's kind of like the home stretch. And then I keep doing left side, right side, left side, right side, alternately until I get to the middle. Done. I take this moment to grease my scalp. I do it at this stage because more of your scalp is exposed. You've, you know, cleared the hair. And to me, you could get a good penetration of the oil. So yep, get it in, get it in, get it in. Now I section my hair because I'm actually going to 2-strand twist it. So you take one strand, and you go the opposite direction of your coil or your palm roll. If you don't do this, your actual 2-strand twist will unravel. So make sure you're twisting in the opposite direction. I twist it to the left, so now I'm going to 2-strand twist to the right, and I secure it with a rubber band. I continue to do this throughout. I love this style because of the versatility. You have loose hair without having loose hair, so you can style it and do whatever. You could do an up bun, down bun, whatever. See? You see how many different ways I could style this now? But so it's loose without being loose. And I'm feeling myself. Check yourself out. Boom. Hey, ready for date night just like that. I styled it doing some earrings because I'm fly. You fly, girl. You fly. Lips popping, titties popping, fly. Check it out. Check it out. Hey, now it's time to dip on y'all. Peace.